Venera space program was a Soviet Union space program to explore the planet Venus, which included flyby missions, satellite missions, and landing missions. The mission established numerous records, like the first man-made device to enter the atmosphere of any planet, first to perform a soft landing, first to take pictures of another planet's surface by being on the planet. In itself, Venera missions were pioneers for the human quest of planets and to study what is on the planet. Soviets had to solve a plethora of programs to get their probes to the Venus, and they nearly solved each one of them, but they really had a hard time doing the same with cameras and their lenses. The problem with the cameras was that they were really sensitive. They can only sustain a very limited amount of stress and temperature. Moreover, it was important to protect the lenses from dust and particles which the probe was landing to get proper images while they touched down. Just to solve this, scientists added caps to the lens, which are supposed to detach when the probe lands safely and start capturing pictures and transmitting the data. This would solve the problem of alien particles entering inside the lens and camera. Now, this new design and approach were used for Venera 9 and 10, and in both the missions, only one camera worked, as one could not detach the caps. The approach was slightly altered and used for Venera 11 and 12, but both the cameras failed to operate this time. Under Venera 13, all the cameras worked perfectly, and Soviets just thought they had finally solved the camera issue when, in Venera 14, both the caps detached properly, the camera started properly, and when the sensor that was supposed to check the compressibility of Venus surface was lowered down to the surface, the titanium cap that was detached from the camera had landed right where the sensor was supposed to measure the soil samples. Thus, it ended up measuring the compressibility of the landscape rather than Venus surface.